It's for somebody special. Yeah, can't wait it out tonight. Baby.
Hi besties, guess what? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me greet you guys first, okay? Let me greet you guys first, okay? So how you guys doing? As you can tell, I'm not good, but I'm good. I don't know whether I should be happy or not happy, but I am, all of them, okay? So as you can see, Your Majesty. Anyway, so today is going to be a boxing video or unboxing video. How do you say it? Unboxing video. Well, yeah, my baby. It looks cute, right? Okay, so let's get into what is inside it later on, but let me give you the tea, okay? So hi besties. I'm about to make the biggest mistake of my life, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna be a mistake anymore because I already made it, okay? Come with me, I'll tell you guys after this, but yeah, all right? So cute, look at that. Prices are not for kids. So I bought this on the 1st, okay, and I never opened it up because I wasn't sure if I made the right decision or not. And it's been with me for like almost a month now. Yeah, because I feel like this is kind of like a big investment to put on YouTube, and I didn't think, or I didn't know if I was ready to be committed like this to YouTube, because I feel like I'm investing, and if I don't get something out of it, that would be like a waste. And I didn't know if I'm in a state to get something out of it yet or not. You get what I mean? Does that make sense? But yes, so I was battling with my mind and my thoughts to actually believe or tell myself that I made the right decision, but I couldn't come to terms with that. That was really a right decision. You get what I mean? Yeah, so I kept it all this while, but yeah, that's why they always say have people around you that can give like review, feedbacks or something like that, or like just give you any support if you need it. But I've asked a couple of friends who knows me. Okay, we're not doing grammar check here, but go to Grammarly. you can tell what I'm talking about. But yes, so most of them said, okay, it was kind of like an interview or a survey kind of questions that I'm asking, because I'm the type that like I always want to know people's views, even though I'm not gonna decide based on your views. I'm gonna still do whatever I want to do or whatever like my institution is telling me to do, but I'll ask people about their views or their points. So yeah, a couple of people are like, okay, why don't you just open it up, try to be committed with your content creation, and then like maybe you can get benefit from you investing it. So take it like you have invested, and then you're going to get something out of it. But you can't just invest and be sitting down, so you have to make something. So I was like, okay, that's a good thing, but I still don't want to bring myself to terms that I'm actually gonna use it. But guys, with you guys, I think this is a good decision, okay? And it's actually a camera that I've been fighting for, like I've been wanting for so long, okay? I just don't know how to feel. Honestly, I have a lot of tools. Like I have like SD card, I have like transferring tools, I have like ring lights, I have all those things that I can use to do videos, like vlog videos or like create videos. I just didn't have a camera, so I literally just bought only the camera because I didn't need all the accessory kits or something like that. So yeah, so today is the day to unbox this. Anyways, this is hilarious, but I don't know much about it. I literally been watching videos related to it, but not really much. But I'm sure I'm going to go in into it, like get to know more about it, how to navigate it. Well, kind of. It's different from any other camera, and I know their settings are really different. So yeah, so let's do it. It's not really gonna be a cute unboxing video, but it's just gonna be an unboxing video. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, do you guys really want to see? Anyways, I'm gonna show you all. But yeah, so I'm feeling lazy to make this video. I still my mind is still not made up, but yeah, so let's just do it the way I want it. Okay, so yeah, inside is this manuals checked that are inside it, and these are probably those that I'm going to use to help me navigate through it. But yeah, so yeah, I have a lot of it. Did something just fall down? Nope. Okay, and then inside is this, what do you call it? A strip? Oh, I don't know, like something you can, okay. And that was the windshield, or how do you call it, the mic that goes on top of the camera. And this is the battery, and another battery. Are there two batteries? No, battery charger, and then the battery. And this is the charger. You're not finished. Okay, so this is the main character of the day, the camera itself. So let's reveal it. There you go. And you guys know the one I got. Let me show you. It's the Sony ZV-E. Oh, what did I say? Yeah, I'm right. I know the camera I'm using, excuse me, is Canon. No, not Canon. Why am I measuring Canon? It's Sony ZV-E10. Okay, period. Anyways, this is the camera. It has the lens, and it's interchangeable lens. I can change it like with a big lens, any kind of lens that I want. So that just makes it so cute. It looks so cute, and I love it. And it goes this way. You flip it this way, and then this. Oh my gosh. I can't imagine myself holding the camera like it's unplugging. And this is the lens. It's detachable, and yeah. So we'll figure this out, and then I'll show you guys later, hopefully. But yeah, that is just all that is inside the camera. And yeah, this one goes in it. You can wear it on your screen, and I don't know, but I'll show you guys details. Okay, yeah. But one thing I don't like about it is the fact that it comes with one battery, so you literally have to buy another battery. Pains. But yeah, everything is cool so far. It looks like what I was expecting. The only thing I have to do is to try it out and let you guys know the features. But yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. What feature do you want me to use the camera on? It's gonna be funny. See you guys later. Bye.
Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time.